Hello friends, good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Urad Dal palak, which is black lentils cooked with spinach. It's a very healthy combination. It has got proteins and vitamins and this combination really goes very well. Though it is a simple dal recipe, it's a very unique one because towards the end there's a twist. A secret ingredient is being added to this which takes this dal to a different level altogether. I'm sure you're going to like this idea and prepare it and let me know how you liked it. So shall we proceed? Urad Dal palak, black lentils cooked with spinach. This preparation is rich in proteins and vitamins. You can enjoy it with plain rice. It's very delicious. Ingredients list can be seen in the description box. Now let's get started. Heat about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and toss them a bit. Don't allow them to crackle but just toss them until they are half done. This can be done on the low flame. Now add 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. We are adding whole garlic now. Later in the tempering we will be adding crushed garlic again. Now add little asafoetida, salt and half teaspoon of turmeric and red chili powders. Now dip in the soaked urad dal. This has been soaking for 6 to 7 hours. You can soak it overnight also. Saute it. About for half a minute or so. And add the spinach, 2 cups of spinach or palak. Add 3 cups of water. Give it a mix and close the pressure cooker. We are going to cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. Open the lid after cooling. Now check if the lentils are done. They should be 90% done. Mash them a bit. Friends, if you are a first time visitor, do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out watching all my recipes. You will get notification as soon as I post a video. Click the bell icon and choose the all option. Now mashing is done. We'll put this cooker aside while we make the tempering ready. In a large pan, heat about 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 small ladles of ghee. In this preparation, you have to be liberal with the oil and ghee. Dal soaks up everything. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds again and let them crackle. Now add the ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon each, crushed or paste, whatever you like. I like crushed garlic more. Add 2 dried red chilies. Toss them. Add asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon, which is hing. Now 3 small onions finely chopped. We are going to saute these until they are golden brown. Cover the lid in between, open and keep stirring so that it gets fried evenly. Now it is golden brown in color. We can add the tomatoes now. I've added 2 tomatoes. Cover and cook until they are soft. After half a minute or so, you can check they are cooked. Mash them a bit with the ladle. Now add salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix everything well. so that the spices get cooked with the onion. Now comes the secret ingredient. 3 toasted poppers. You have to crumble them and add. Isn't it a unique recipe with poppers? This is the first time I've come across a recipe like this, adding cooked poppers. Saute them a bit and then add 1 cup of spinach. This is for giving the green color to the curry. If you need, you can add little more oil. Saute it, cover and simmer on low flame. You can see the oil is separating now. Now stir in the cooked dal. You will see all the oil and ghee will be soaked by these poppers and dal. It will disappear in no time. Add little water to the cooker and you can remove the dal that is stuck on it. Check the taste. Adjust if anything is required. Cover and simmer. In between, open and keep stirring so that it doesn't get stuck to the base. After cooking for 5 minutes on low flame, check the consistency. If required, you can add hot water. At this stage, it is always better to add hot boiling water. Garnish with coriander leaves and simmer for 1 more minute because we have added water now. This consistency is perfect with rice. Squeeze little lime juice, half a lemon, or if you want, you can add amchur powder, dry mango powder also. Now for finishing touches, we shall be adding second tadka, which is oil with little bit of Kashmiri chili powder. Heat very lightly and add the chili powder so that it remains red in color. Stir it into the pan. You can see it looks lovely. I'm sure you have liked this unique dal preparation with spinach and the secret ingredient, which was papad. Make and enjoy it with your family and don't forget to share the feedback. And if you have any recipe request, do post in the comment section. Thanks for watching and check out these videos from the archives. You might like them too. Take care. Bye until next.